Solar Panel User Guide, 200 WBC, back contact, orange handle model. Unfold the solar panel and extend the supporting stand to stabilize it. Open the accessory bag and retrieve the connection cables. Fully unfold the solar panel and connect the cables to your outdoor power station. Fully unfolded view. Safety precautions. Avoid scratching the panel surface with sharp objects. Do not step on, place heavy objects on, bend or twist the foldable panels. Keep panels away from shaded areas, e.g. trees, buildings, during use. Do not immerse the panels in water or any liquid. Clean with a damp cloth only. Do not submerge in water. Store and use away from open flames or flammable materials. Avoid contact with corrosive substances. Do not disassemble the panel structure. Storage instructions. Folding procedure. Front/back view when folded. Secure the panel with built-in fasteners. Adjust the Hongwei 200W solar panel according to the direction of sunlight to achieve the best power generation effect.